Hey there, I have got an interesting soda that my wife found and purchased. Dr. Pepper and cream soda. Didn't know this existed. She saw it, thought, give it a try. She bought a 24 pack.
No, 12.
Oh, 12. Okay,
I didn't see a 24 pack.
Oh my.
Sadly.
She bought 12 packs, which to me seems like a lot for a soda that you really don't know if you're gonna like or not. She's liking it. She's drinking it actually faster than she drinks her normal Coke. So,
Well,
yeah, just about. Let me give it a try. Okay, you can smell Dr. Pepper, and you get a hint of a creamy cream soda kind of smell with it. I'm messy. I need a napkin, please. Very carbonated. You definitely get the cream soda. The creaminess of the cream soda is very present. You do get the Dr. Pepper, but it is much more toned down than what you normally expect.
it almost like it's like a Dr. Pepper root beer. It keeps making me have that
I can see that. I can see that. Will you hand me a short glass so I can pour a little bit of this?
Yeah, so it's like with the cream soda, it just makes it kind of root beery like, but not root beer. It's more like a Dr. Pepper root beer. It's just as dark.
Yeah, yeah.
A little lighter. Yeah, it's a little lighter than
It is a little bit lighter. I want some of the bubbles to fizz off for me to take a drink that's not so carbonated and intense like the can. It's a bit much for me. Alright. So it's still not going to be one for me.
I'm
glad you're liking it a lot. Definitely the very back half, the very like aftertaste gives a very root beer feel.
Dr. Pepper, root beer kind
yeah,
of thing,
so if you're a fan of root beer, if you're a fan of Dr. Pepper, if you're a fan of cream soda, I think any of those, you would be interested in trying this, and you should, you should give it a go. The wife is loving it. She's just, she's loving it. It's not for me, but I could see how others might really enjoy this. So if you've heard about it and you've been interested in trying it, I would say, yeah, if you can buy yourself a can of it, like a single can at maybe a convenience store or gas station.
Especially if that bite of Dr. Pepper, or the bite of root beer even, like that aftertaste.
Grab a can.
This is a nice in-betweener.
Yeah, the cream soda, I guess, is what's giving that root beer feel, that mixed with the Dr. Pepper.
Yeah.
So, yeah, if you're a fan of any of those flavors, I'd say, yeah, give this a try. I'll look and see if I can find this online. If I can, I will pin a link below to it. But, yeah, Dr. Pepper and cream soda. Who would have thunk it? Let me know if you've tried this, what your thoughts were. Did you enjoy it? Did you think that it was something that you'll buy again? For me, I won't. The wife sounds like she will buy it again, so it will continue to be in the house. But yeah, and if you haven't ever tried this before, does it sound like something you would like? I wasn't sure, and now I know it's not for me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.